everybody, Mary Katie K here, coming to you guys with my quick bath and shower time favorites. Don't worry, I'm not going to show you anything out of the, that I shouldn't be showing you guys. Some people be showing all kinds of crazy stuff in these favorite videos. But let's go ahead and get started. I had stated previously, in a previous video, my mommy favorites that I enjoy candles. And I wanted to show you one that is lit. Be very careful because it's hot. That I'm enjoying here lately. And that is this one. Frosted Cupcake. This is a Bath and Body Works candle, and I have never purchased candles via Bath and Body Works until this year. And I recently did a haul at Bath and Body Works and got all kinds of smell goods and things of that nature. And that candle, I will say, complements every other scented candle. Some people don't want their whole house smelling like one thing. You want maybe one room smelling like this, another room smelling like that. Frosted Cupcake candle complements every other candle that I have, so I burn it consistently. And then in another room I may do pineapple mango or blueberry pumpkin patch or a Christmas scent, chocolate, mint chocolate, something like that. So just FYI on the Frosted Cupcake. Love that candle. So let's get into the rest of the bath stuff. I really like these moisturizing bath beads, and I have lavender vanilla. They did not originally come in this, they came in a box, and I put them in here. And what you do is you put them in bath water. I also use these when I give pedicures to myself and to my husband, and they make your water smell really good. And lavender is a really relaxing scent, so I really like that. Another thing that I like is this Johnson & Johnson Honey Apple Body Wash. My skin is very sensitive. For some reason people love to buy me bath sets, and I do not like bath sets. I think because they think I like sprays, and they just buy me the whole set. I don't like bath sets because the soap irritates my skin, and the body wash irritates my skin. The lotion is too much. I can't have too much of the same scent, so I try to keep my soaps neutral. So like this is a nice light scent, but it's neutral. It won't interrupt any other scent that I put on. So I really like this. Plus it's sensitive for your skin, and it doesn't break me out. Sometimes when I try scented soaps, they break me all out, and it's whack. Another soap that's neutral, everybody knows about, is Dove. I like Dove soap because it works well with my skin, and it's pretty much the only bar soap that I do use. It doesn't bother my skin, doesn't irritate my skin. Again, my skin is sensitive to scents, so if I use something that has too much fragrance in it, it will break me out and it will be horrendous. So I keep the Dove. This is new, this Honey Apple body wash, and it has been working out great for me, and I switch between the two, just depending, and that way I can put on whatever spray smell I want, and that doesn't bother me at all. Maybe a lightly scented lotion, but not much. The next thing is something I created myself, and this is just my homemade brown sugar scrub. It's in a container, but that's it. It's just brown sugar with shea butter and olive oil. I use this on my body, and that's it here. I use it on my body. I use it on my lips, my face, on my arms. I keep this small one here by the sink. And I use this one on my face. I keep this one in the shower. And I actually use body scrubs to shave with. You rub them on your body, and you just rub them, because that exfoliates your skin. And then my favorite razor to use is the Gillette Venus Olay razors. And I really like these razors because they have the moisturizing things at the top and the bottom, and they have 5 blades. They really do give you a close shave. So this is my current one. I couldn't find my extras. I have never paid for one of these razors. I've always won one in their giveaways. If you're interested in how to do that, I'll put a link below to their Facebook, where they're always giving these things away. And last but not least, 2 quick face products. I'm enjoying this cleanser during my bath time. This is my Morning Burst Hydrating Facial Cleanser, but this is the one with the cucumber extracts, and it smells like cucumber melon. It smells so good, and I just wanted to switch it up. But the Morning Burst is my favorite cleanser, but this one has a different scent, and so I want to try it. And then lastly, the Morning Burst Fruit Infusions Facial Scrub. This does not have as many granules in it as my homemade scrub, so I mix them both together, and it does really well. It has yumberry and strawberry, and I really, really like it. So that's it, guys. Just a quick, my favorite bath time products. If you have your favorite bath time products, please put them down below. And then I know a couple of you will ask what's on my lips today. My face is a quick neutral eye, and with a pop of color on the lips and a half lash. On my lips today, I am wearing Wet n Wild's 24 Carrot Gold. And that's what's on my lips. And then over there, I just have a little bit of this XXY Sexy Gloss from Payless in the color Tropical Tease. That's it. All right, thank you so much for tuning in. See you in the next video. Bye.